Well, good evening and welcome to the Hobby Mounts Facebook page. How you doing? It's Shane Solomon with you for this week's competition reveal. To find out who is the winner this week, you're tuning in to me live here at 6 o'clock on Monday, the 9th of May. My goodness me, we're motoring through this month already. Just realised I'm in London again next week. Every month I'm away in London on a Tuesday. And the third Tuesday of the month, and there we are again. But anyway, drop me a comment, let me know where you're watching from. I'm just loading up the live feed there now. There we go. Good evening to everyone joining us. Peter Biggs has just joined the live. Good evening to you, Peter. Let me know where you're watching from, people. I always like to know where around in the country people are tuning in from and taking part. So just to remind you what you're playing for tonight, what you've entered is to win a Hubsan Xeno Mini Pro drone worth £479, that's right. There's 3 runners-up prizes of the Flight Labs Hovercross drones worth £29.99 each. So all is not lost if you don't win the top prize, of course. The question for this week's competition was, what is a Hubsan Xeno Pro? The answer, of course, was a drone. So, if you got that answer correct, your name will be in the wheel of names, which you can see whizzing around to the right of me on your screen. So, Craig Bayliss is watching. David North, good to see David North, a regular here. Steve Smith, is a first time for you, is it? A hashtag first. Well, best of luck to you, Steve. Hopefully, with a bit of luck, your luck will come in. Johnny Goodband is now logging on as well, so good to see you, Johnny. I'm just having a quick look here at the numbers on the live. I'll just wait for a few more to jump on, and then I will spin that wheel to find out who is this week's winner. Don't forget, if you don't win the top prize, hang around, because I will be drawing 3 separate prizes as runners-up, so you could be in with a chance there. Now, next week there is a competition, but we will be making the competition live tomorrow, as soon as the new DJI announcement goes live. We can't officially say what it is, but I think everyone knows. So that's all I can say at this stage. So we're not revealing the competition straight after the winners' announcements tonight. You'll have to wait until tomorrow. Okay? Right, let's have a quick look here then. Lewis, good evening to you. Graham Ralph, good evening to you. And Rob Paul, you're all here waiting for the winner announcement. So let's spin the wheel. Hopefully we'll get the winner's phone number as well from the Governor Paul, so that we can give him a quick call and say well done. But that's it. I'm going to spin the wheel now and find out who is this week's winner. Best of luck to all of you. Here we go. So the wheel is going around. I just saw David North's name there. So we've got, let's have a look here, Pete Biggs. That's another name I saw on the live as well. James Croft, it's not you unfortunately. Tony Watkins, blimey, there's a name I've not seen for a while. It's currently on Keith Bishop's name. And then after Keith Bishop, we've got, no, Keith Bishop, that's where it stops. So congratulations to you, Keith. Well done. Keith is the winner of this week's competition. Let's put that in there. And Keith wins the Hubsan Xeno Mini Pro drone worth £479. Now stay with me, people. Stay with me, because I've got 3 runners up for you. Keith Bishop is the winner, and I have his phone number. Let's give him a quick call.
Hello.
Oh, hi there. Is that Keith Bishop?
How you doing?
Yeah, really good. Keith, it's Shane Solomon here, buddy, from Hobby Mounts.
I just saw my name come up, Shane.
You was watching live. You was watching live, huh?
I was blown away. I missed out by 2 a few weeks ago on the DJI 3, but yeah, I'm gobsmacked. I'm blown away. Thank you very much.
No worries, mate. It was always a pleasure to make this call. It's always nice to win something, and we appreciate you all playing. So thank you very much indeed. But enjoy it, and we look forward to the winner's photo when it eventually arrives.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you very much.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Keith. Well done, buddy.
Thank you. Bye.
Cheers,
Bye.
mate. Bye, bye, bye. So there we are. There's Keith. He's over the moon. Also, Dave Sweeney is going to be over the moon because Dave Sweeney is the first runner-up from tonight's competition. Let's put Dave Sweeney in the list. Right, let's spin the wheel again. Best of luck. Here we go. So Keith Bishop, he was happy. He was happy. Got to be in it to win it, you see. Got to be in it to win it. So here we go. Some names on here. Leonard Smith, Richard Manley. Unfortunately, it's none of you guys I've mentioned so far. Tim Sutton, it's currently on your name. And Jim Moonie, I would say it's going to stay on your name. Yes, it does. Well done to you, Jim. All right. So these guys are currently winning the Flight Labs Hovercross drone worth £29.99. These are the runner-up prizes. One more to go. Let's see who wins the final prize for this evening. So Tony Watkins, there you are. Grr, yeah, Tony, it's good to see you on the live, mate. Sorry you didn't win. Claire Jones, Neil Cooper, Steve Smith, a twist in the plot, eh? Oh yes. Sat here waiting, mate, says Paul Gardner. Yes, thank you for giving me the number. Okay, so it's currently on Harry Rooke. Harry Rooke, congratulations to you, Harry. Congratulations to you. That's a bit slow copying across. I'm going to type that in. Harry Rooke. So there you are. That is your winners. Your top winner, of course, was Keith Bishop, who was over the moon when I phoned him through there just a moment ago, winning the Hubs and Zeno Mini Pro drone worth £479. Congratulations to you, Keith. And then the runners-up, Dave Sweeney, Jim Mooney, and Harry Rooke as well. Congratulations to you all. You all win a Flight Labs Hovercross drone worth £29.99. So that's it. Now listen, we are doing a competition again next week, but you'll have to wait until tomorrow to find out what it is. When the competition goes live, it will be on our Facebook page, all our socials, and of course our website, so you can buy your tickets. But we can't say what the prize is going to be, because it's going to be as soon as the DJI announcement goes live tomorrow, we will officially say what it is. But we can't say anything until then, but I think everyone knows. That's it for myself and everyone at Hobby Mounts. Paul and Beth, as always, appreciate you taking part. It's all a bit of fun, but it's great fun when you win. So that's it. See you same time, same place next week here on Hobby Mounts Facebook page. See you then. Cheers. Bye.